Hey pool owners, this is Rob with Inyo Pools. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Maytronics Dolphin E10 robotic pool cleaner. It's designed for above ground pools up to 30 feet in length or diameter. The Dolphin E10 comes with 40 feet of cable and an easy to use power supply unit. The filter on the E10 is easily accessible from the top. It comes with a leaf canister which can also be upgraded to an ultrafine cartridge filter. The E10 comes with a 24-month warranty, 12 months on the cleaner cable. Wearable parts such as the brush, tracks, and filter are not covered. Before placing the cleaner in the pool, the power supply unit should be at least 12 feet from the pool with the cleaner cable plugged into it. The E10 can then be dropped into the pool. You can then go ahead and turn it on. Once the 1.5 hour cleaning cycle is finished, you can pull the cleaner by its cord until it reaches the water surface. Then pick it up by the handle to remove it from the pool. The E10 did a great job on this 27-foot round pool. It was able to pick up a good amount of leaves and grass clippings, as well as fine dirt and small debris. Overall, the Dolphin E10 is an excellent choice for above-ground pool owners. If you currently have a handheld vacuum for your pool, this is going to be a huge upgrade and save you from spending many hours manually vacuuming in the sun. If you are trying to decide between this and a suction-style cleaner, we would recommend the E10 because of its ease of use and greater efficiency. If you have any questions about the Dolphin E10 or anything else pool or spa related, visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.